Okay, today we're going to work on recognizing the coherence of multiplication and division with whole numbers, decimals, and fractions as it builds across grade levels. We're also going to study the teaching sequence of and practice multiplication and division, thereby growing in our profound understanding of fundamental mathematics. We are going to work on the progression of multiplication from concrete to pictorial right now by modeling a 1-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem that is 3 times 3 groups of 23. And I would like you to get out your discs. While I write, you can follow along. We're going to write down our 3 groups of 23. And how can you say 23 in unit form?
2 10s, 3 1s.
That's correct. And then we'll have our place value chart, so you can go ahead and get yours. And we're going to go ahead and put our number 23 on our chart. So how many are in the 10s?
2
And 2 what?
10s,
And then how many are in the 1s?
3 1s.
Yes. Okay. And then how many groups do we have?
I need to have 3 groups.
Yep, and I have 2, so I'm going to need how many more?
2 more groups.
2 more groups. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and write this vertically so that we can show the connection between the picture and the vertical model. How many are in the 1s?
9
9 what?
9 1s,
Yes. And then how many are in the 10s?
6 10s,
Yes. And then 9 1s means the same as,
9
and 6 10s is the same as,
60,
and then I can add those two together to get a total of,
69.
good. Then we're going to move to our vertical model and we're going to continue the same process. We have 3 groups of 3 1s, and what would that total be?
9 1s.
Yes. And then we have 3 groups of 2 10s. What is that total?
6 10s.
Or 60. Okay, and then we can add this together just like we did here for a total of 69. Okay, so this is your concrete model, and now we're going to move to the pictorial model with a different problem. We're going to have 4 groups of 34. And what is the unit form for 34?
3 10s, 4 1s.
Correct. And then we're going to draw our place value model, place value chart, and I wanted to note a difference here between this place value chart and this one. We did not need headings on this place value chart because we have the values on our place value discs, 10s and 1s. But here we're going to write headings. These are the hundreds, 10s, and 1s, and we're going to use chips for this one. We don't need the values. So now that I have this set up, I'm going to place my number here on the chart. What do I have in the 10s?
I have 3 10s.
Correct. So you're going to put your 3 10s here, and you're going to put how many 1s?
4 1s.
Okay. And then how many groups do you have?
I have 4 groups of.
Yep. So I have 3. So I'm going to add, I'm sorry, I have 1 group. I'm going to add 3 more groups. Okay, and now you're going to get a total in each column. So how many do we have in our 1s?
I have 16 1s.
16 1s. And then what do I have in the 10s?
I have 12 10s.
Yes. Okay. Now when you have these numbers like this, there's something we can do. And do you know what that is that we can do with these numbers?
I can make a new group of 10. I can bundle them.
There you go. You bundle a new group of 10, and we're going to shift that over to the 10s column. So let's go ahead and bundle those and move that over and make a new group of 10. Okay? And is there enough in our 10s to do the same?
Yes.
Yes, there are. So we're going to bundle another group of 10, and we're going to shift it over to the hundreds. Okay, so now let's figure out our new numbers. What do we have in the 1s?
I now have 6 1s.
Okay, how about our 10s?
I have 3 10s.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And then what do we have in the hundreds?
I have 100.
Good. All right, now we're going to add these together for a total. What do we have?
136.
Yes. Now let's take that and put it in a vertical model. So we have 34, 3 tens, 4 ones, times 4 groups. And if I take my 4 ones times 4 ones, what will I have?
16 ones.
Yep. And then if I take my 4 ones times 3 tens, what will I have?
12 tens.
Yes, 12 tens. And then I have to keep the 0 because it's in the tens. And then you're going to add those together and you're going to get
136.
the same number. That's correct. Okay, now let's go ahead and try some independent practice on your participant handout.